everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are most welcome, and of course if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Your hosts Betty and Tina.
We create real estate and lifestyle videos for real estate. We are here to captivate you, motivate you, and keep you hooked the real estate sector in Uganda. Are you looking for modern furnished or
unfurnished houses
for rent
or for sale?
This channel is a must to keep on your tabs. It's the B&T
Property Show. Well guys, today we decided to come again to our favorite part of Kampala. This is Chira Town. We are super excited to showcase Isoville Apartments in Mulawa. This is a very beautiful neighborhood, and of course this particular apartment is just to die for.
Yes. It's one of those apartments I've actually been looking forward to shooting and showing them to the world.
Exactly.
And telling them what Uganda has to offer.
Wow, I'm super excited. Come with us. Well, as you walk in, you're going to be welcomed with a spacious living room. This living room is so spacious, and it can be divided into a living area and also a dining area. What I love about this living room is just the space and the view. It has a wide door that leads you to the balcony, of course with the beautiful views. So let's talk about what is in this living room. When you see the tiling are well done. The finishings are just so perfect. The paint that they used here is just so perfect. They use white, which really brings out the color theme of this house, and of course the apartments. I feel this is really so perfect. So let's just have a look at the living room. So from the living room, you come to the kitchen. This is the kitchen area. It's a closed kitchen. So when you come to the kitchen, there is a single sink right here. And I love the storage in the kitchen. The storage is just enough. As you can see, there is the upper and the lower storage area. And of course, with the window, that brings in good natural light to this kitchen. So let's go to this other side. To this other side, there's a pantry. That's what I love about this kitchen. So you come to the pantry, it's really spacious enough. You can be able to store your stuff, your things for cooking and all that. And it's just the best. Then when you come to this other side, there is the fridge area. This is where you can be able to put maybe your fridge, if in case you have a sizable one. That's what I would really say about this. Then also there's a socket for the cooker. Just on this other side, there's a socket for the cooker, so you can put your cooker here. You do your washing. This is the washing area. Of course, you put in your items there, like maybe the microwave and everything on that other side. It's a minimalized kitchen, but really good enough. And the tiling is really well done. I feel it's just so perfect. So of course, there's a door that leads you to another balcony. So the kitchen has the balcony. This is where it is. Come along with me. So this is a very spacious balcony. So this other area, this is the place you can maybe put your washing machine or just other things that you want to maybe store in the balcony. So this is the space for the washing machine. It is really big enough. And to the other side of the room, there is the maid's room. This is very exciting. So the maid's room is of course detached. So the maid's room is from the kitchen to this other section. So this is the maid's room. That maid's room, by the way, is self-contained. So there's a shower, there's a toilet, and of course a water heater in it. So that's what it is. The tiling was well done. It's minimalized space, but it's really so perfect. The colors that they used here are just so perfect. Let's just have a look.
come to the bedrooms. This is a 3-bedroom house. Tina already showed you the maid's room. Yes, so here we have the two rooms. So the master bedroom is self-contained. The other guest room is not self-contained. There's a common washroom outside. So I'm pretty much excited about checking out what is in these rooms. Come, let's start with the master bedroom. So this here is the master bedroom. Look at the size. This is a good size. I love the modern curtain rods that we use here. Yes, then I love the closet space. There's good closet space. This can be for he, then this can be for her. Yes, then I love the tile work. These are durable tiles. These are very durable tiles, so we shall have no issue with that. I love the good lightings. Then these large windows bringing enough light into the house, lightening up this place in a good way. So the master bedroom is self-contained. Let's just check out what is in the washroom. So in the washroom, it is a combined washroom. There's a bathtub, there's a toilet, there's a water heater. Yes, I love the good tile work that was used here. There's a single sink. Yeah, and what do you think about this washroom? Just have a look at the washroom. I guess you've liked the master bedroom. What do you think about it? Well, this other one is the guest room. Let's check out what is in the guest room. So in the guest room, enough closet space, both up and down. Then I love this large window. Yeah, this large window is beautiful in the way that it brings in enough light into the house. Then look at the size. This is really good size. Yes, I love the walls, the high walls. Then the lighting in this place is really beautiful. What do you think? What do you think about the guest room? Let's go check out. I told you the guest room is not self-contained. There's a shared washroom outside. Let's go check it out. So this here is the shared washroom. It's a combined one. Yeah, there's a water heater, there's a single sink, and durable tiles were used here. And there's a toilet. Yes, and what do you think? There's a large window that brings in enough natural light into the house. Let me know what you think about the guest room.
Well, hope you enjoyed this apartment tour. It was an amazing one. I loved the whole experience here.
For me, I love the mere fact that this apartment is, I think, one of the best apartments we have reviewed so far this year.
Exactly. What was your favorite part of this house?
I think I love the quietness.
Okay.
It's very quiet.
Very
so
calm.
You really come to, you retire well.
And talk about the views. The views are just so perfect. They're to die for. You just stand in your
neighborhood.
Oh my God, it's just so amazing. When you sit in your balcony and you have these beautiful views of Kampala, it's just so amazing and very refreshing. So let's talk about the house. Let's talk about the price. Of course, that is what everyone is looking for.
Excited.
Exactly.
Waiting for this part.
Yeah. When you talk about the price of this condominium, it is for 185 million Uganda shillings. So how is that? I think it's a very affordable price, Betty.
Because considering the ones we have been reviewing, I think that's the rent. Then it's according to where the house is actually
exactly
located.
Where it's located.
Chira.
Yeah, Mulawa. Nigeria.
So that's a fair price.
That is a fair price. What do you think about the price? You can leave your comment down below about it. Then let's talk about the amenities of this condominium. Well, there's electricity. Of course, your car is already installed there for you. There's security for you.
There are two armed guards.
Exactly. Then also the accessibility to the main road. It's not so far away from Total petrol station, Total Mulawar. Yes, petrol station. Then of course there's the big supermarket around the place, clothes, and also small shops that you can be able to do your groceries, and also the market that you can be able to do your groceries. That is really amazing, Betty.
Yeah, then in the apartment we have parking space. Like each apartment is given 2 slots.
Oh wow.
Parking space. Then you notice there's a big compound, so our kids can play here.
Exactly. That is really so amazing. That's what I love about this. But in case you're really interested in this particular apartment, do not forget to at least contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is on the screen down below. And of course, in case you want to contact through email, you can still get it in the description. Feel free. In case you're interested, we can be able to bring you around for house viewing.
Not forgetting they give condominium titles are given upon payment.
Full payment.
Full payment.
Exactly. Yeah, that is really amazing. I think it's fair enough for someone to give you your title when you're fully paid. But of course, there's a percentage, the first deposit that you'll be able to pay in a few months, that is 50%. Yes.
The rest of the payment within
8 months.
8 months.
Yeah, that is really amazing. So guys, that's what I had for you today. Hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also like the video. Share all these beautiful videos with all your friends.
Not forgetting, if they're interested in this particular apartment, it's very simple. You're going to WhatsApp us on that number running on the screen, or send us an email address.
Yeah, thank you so much guys. See you in the next one. Bye.